Cameron here again. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was really awesome making. It's the very first FileMaker programming course on Skillshare. I really hope you enjoyed building this. I really hope you stayed tuned to my advanced version where we can expand the capabilities of FileMaker. FileMaker can do way more than this, especially in the relationships graph and relating data and doing search fields and finding data with date ranges. Creating the invoices, payments, and setting this up on like AWS server or on FileMaker Cloud, and buying your own hardware and setting up your own server in your own office. There's so many different ways of creating FileMaker databases, and the FileMaker server side of it is really beneficial to large corporations that have lots of money, that spend lots of money on software with other companies that are the SaaS business model. If you can figure out a way to take all of that technology and make your own database, you can actually save a lot of money doing so. But I really hope this was a really good foundational skill set for you to learn FileMaker Pro. This was a free course, and you can learn a lot with this course as far as creating fields, creating tables, relationships, basic layouts, and basic scripts. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching, and take care.